Welcome to one of the final videos in the course, and for this one we're going to be setting up Google Search Console for our website. And what the Search Console allows you to do is monitor how your website is indexed within Google search pages. It will also notify you of any issues or problems as Google's crawling your site, so that you can recognize them and fix them straight away without affecting your search rankings. To set up Google Search Console, I've just come over to Google here. The easiest thing to do is to Google Search Console and then click on the top one. Start now. It should ask me to log in. There we go. So I'm just going to log into my site's email address. And here we are. I've just logged in. Enter the URL. So we use our HTTPS one. Check that's correct, and then add property. And this should do this part automatically. There we go. So it's used the Google Analytics tag that we added in a previous video a while ago now, and it's verified ownership of the site. You can, if it doesn't do this, you can do it manually. It's very simple. All you'll need to do is copy a piece of code that it gives you, and then you can head over to the Yoast plugin by clicking on that, and then Webmaster Tools, and then you would just enter the piece of code in here in order to verify it. However, if you've already set up that Google Analytics tracking code, it should do it automatically for you. So we'll click done there. It should take us to this home screen. So at the moment it's just processing the data. Obviously we've only just set it up, so it needs a while for the data to filter through and for it to be shown. So the next stage, or the next thing we're going to do, is add a sitemap to this Google Search Console. And what that is a kind of a roadmap for your site that helps Google recognize and index the pages that you want it to index. So to do this, head over to the Sitemaps tab on the left. Once you're in this tab, to upload your sitemap, all you need to do is enter the URL here. Now for us, we don't need to worry about building the sitemap, since the Yoast plugin on our WordPress site will do that for us. So if I show you quickly, we'll come over to the dashboard and we'll go to the Yoast plugin, and under features, as long as this is switched on, XML sitemaps, that will automatically create a sitemap for our website. So all you need to do is enter that URL, and to get it, press the little question mark, and then you can see the sitemap, and your sitemap URL is there. It's always the same. It's always sitemap _ index.xml. So we come back to the sitemaps tab after copying that and enter it in there. You'll see down here one that I did earlier. I put HTML instead of XML, so obviously that didn't work. So that's the reason why that's there. You won't have anything there. And then click submit. There you go. It's submitted successfully, and now we'll start receiving notifications if anything is wrong with our site in the future. What you'll get initially is this message here saying couldn't fetch. If you just wait a few minutes, that should then change to being successfully fetched. If it doesn't change, it might take a day or two. If it still hasn't changed by then, you'll probably get an error message appear when you click on it, and it will kind of tell you how to rectify the problem, and then you'll just need to resubmit your sitemap in here. So I'll just try and refresh it now to see if we get a... There we go, so you've got success. Perfect. So it didn't take long. But that is it. That is our sitemap uploaded. And now Google can start to crawl and index our web pages in their search rankings.